Building a fence with wood posts is one of the most expensive mistakes homeowners make. Today, I'm giving you 5 reasons why steel posts are stronger, last longer, and actually save you money in the long run. Plus, a bonus benefit most people never even think about. First, let's clear something up. Not all steel posts are the same. First, you've got round steel posts, like you see on chain link fences, sometimes adapted for wood fences. And then second, you have the purpose-built post, like the Postmaster post for Master Halco or similar brands. Personally, I prefer posts designed specifically for wood fences. They fit better, look better, and ultimately last longer. The first reason is longevity. The number one reason fences fail are the posts. Wood posts rot, crack, or get eaten by insects. Steel posts don't. They're galvanized or coated to resist rust, meaning that your fence could last 2, 3, or even 4 times longer just by swapping out the post. The second reason, strength. Steel posts are incredibly stronger than wood posts. For example, the Postmaster post is rated to withstand winds up to 70 miles an hour, nearly double what treated 4x4 posts can handle when brand new. At that point, you'll be more worried about your roof or trampoline flying away than your fence. Reason number 3 is the warranty. Steel posts usually come with warranties, sometimes lifetime coverage against rust and corrosion. Wood posts, no warranty at all. They'll warp, twist, or rot, and you're stuck replacing them out of your own pocket. The fourth reason, lower repair costs. When fences eventually need work, it's usually the rails or the pickets. With steel posts, you don't have to dig up and reset new posts, which can cut repair costs by as much as half. One upfront investment saves you a ton of money down the road. The fifth reason is a cleaner look. Unlike wood posts that stick out on one side or the other of the fence, steel posts that are purpose-built, they are built into the fence line. That means neither you nor the neighbor has to look at your post. It's cleaner, more polished look from both sides of the fence. Now, for the bonus benefit, here's something a lot of people don't think about, and that's space. If you're building next to an existing fence you can't remove, a wood post setup pushes your fence out by at least 5 or 6 inches. With steel posts that are built in line with the fence, you're typically only setting off a couple inches at most. That gives you back a few inches of yard. It could seem like a small detail, but as yards keep getting smaller, every inch counts. Plus, no awkward gaps for weeds, grass, or debris to collect. So that's why I recommend building wood fences with steel posts. They're longer lasting, stronger, warranted. They end up saving you money over time, and it's a cleaner look with the bonus of saving space. If you got value from this video, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fence building related tips. I've also linked a few more videos you'll enjoy right here. As always, Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors, and I'll see you next time.